I'm Cory, founder of AutoAdvisor. Most shops and dealerships don't lose money on the work in the bays. They lose it on what slips while everyone's heads down. A call that goes to voicemail, a part nobody reordered. Here's what we do about it in about 2 minutes. It's 6:15, you've gone home. The phone rings. A brake job. $400, ready to book. Instead of voicemail, the agent picks up. It talks like a person, pulls up the customer, and never sounds like a robot. It looks at your live schedule, which bay, which tech, what's open, so it's not double booking Thursday at 9. It books the appointment and confirms it before the call ever hits voicemail. Then the parts agent looks ahead at what that job needs and flags it before you run short. You walk into a brief, who booked overnight, what's staged, instead of a ringing phone. Every agent runs in one of 3 modes you set: off, ask you first, or fully automatic. You stay in control. That's life after the system. The morning's already handled. The calls booked overnight, the numbers ready on one screen. Your same team, about 40% more done. Want to see it on your own shop? There's a live demo, no login, at autoadvisorpartners.com/demo. Go drive it.